All right, they're here. My new all-weather floor liners from Tesla, just in time for winter weather. All right, I'm excited to get these unboxed and put into Model Y. Here we go. All right, we're here in the garage, gonna go ahead and unbox the new floor liners. These are from Tesla, but they're actually made by WeatherTech. And so made in USA weather liners. I got these off Tesla.com using credits from the referral program, 3,500 credits for these mats. But you can buy these Model Y all-weather floor liners for $225. All right, we've got 3 liners in here, front left, front right, and the rear liner comes folded up like this. Get that stretched out here. All right, here's the rear liner, and it's got a little bit of a fold in it, but I'm sure that after a little while, it'll probably lay down nice and flat. Driver's side, passenger side. Looking on the bottom here, we can see WeatherTech, made in USA, and they even have a little bit of a hook and loop attachment there to keep the mats from sliding around. All right, we've got this little instruction manual from WeatherTech. Basically, all we have to remember is that we need to install these mats directly on the floor and not over other floor mats, and then press down firmly on the installed part to engage the hook and loop attachment to be certain the retention device is properly and securely engaged. All right, so we're gonna go do the driver's side first here. Put on a little light. We'll take out the current carpet liner. I actually really like these carpet liners, especially for when the weather is warmer and there isn't a bunch of snow and slush outside. They're very easy to clean with just a small vacuum cleaner. So we'll save these for probably putting back in summertime. All right, we'll take the driver's side mat. I'm gonna put the front in first. Let the back drop in. Press everything down. Looks like it could slide back a little bit here. Really nice interior contour here. And we're not in the way of any vehicle controls. What I also like is that I can still get my underseat tray out here that I got from EV Base. Take a look at the link above for that video, containing all the parts I need for my Cuette transfer bike rack. And the little lip kind of keeps the tray from sliding forward. We also don't have any interference here with my sunglass holder from EV Base. It's going to be really nice to keep any snow and slush, or dirt and grime from whether we're walking around in winter weather, mountain biking, whatever, hiking, inside the trays and keeping the inside of the Model Y clean. I can easily just pull these out, spray them down, and we'll be good to go. Let's go to the passenger side. All right, here's the carpet liner. This is just going to roll right out. And then we'll put in the new all-weather floor liner. Again, a really nice contour with these mats. There's like no gap here. Looks really good. All right, now for the second row mat. So again, a nice stock carpet liner. Pull this out. And we'll install the all-weather mat. Definitely recommend putting it in nose first. And two hands if you have them. All right, there we go. We've got the second row mat in. This is fitting also with a really nice tight contour, maybe even a tad too tight. Got a little bit of a fold there, but maybe that'll work itself out over time. And the mat fits really nice under the Joa tissue box holder set. Take a look at the link above if you want to see all of the accessories I've added to my Model Y from Joa. All right, there we go. We've got the all-weather floor liners installed in the Model Y. Actually took probably less than 10 minutes. Pull out the old liners, put in the new liners. They fit really nice. Hey, let's let the slush and the mud fly, I guess. I mean, preferably I like to leave it outside of the Model Y, but if it does get tracked into the Model Y, now I've got the liners to catch everything. Leave a comment below if you have any questions on these mats or any other Tesla accessories. Give me a like if you found this video helpful, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from Tesla Family. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching the video. If you really liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to Tesla Family channel here for free on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you soon. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and anyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. Check out more of our videos linked to the end screen of this video and on our videos, shorts, and playlist tabs. If you're on social media, like us on X and follow us on Facebook. Use my referral link to buy a new Tesla and get up to $1,000 off the purchase price. Or use my referral link to order solar roof, solar panels, or Powerwall from Tesla and get a reward back after activation.